Oh, morning campers. It's 4:41 in the AM on the 7th of December, and it's blowing a fucking gale. It's been like this for the last 2 hours. I don't know if you can see, I've had my roof move. I don't know if you can see that, can you? I had to put a shock absorber on that, because if you can see that moving. Does that work like that? That's all fucking jumping about out there. It's going bloody mental here. Pissing down rain, lashing. Oh dear. Can't sleep. I haven't slept. Like 4 hours. No, they're on and off. This is lashing down. Oh. Nice and warm in here though. Like 21 degrees in here. I didn't turn the heater off last night. Because I don't want to wake up cold in the night with this wind as well. I thought perhaps I might sleep through it. But not a fucking chance. This is I'll have to go have a look on my charts, my weather thing, you see how much longer it's going to keep blowing like this. It's not really rocking me about. Because the way I'm parked, I got a great big row of trees across the front of the van. About where you see where I parked now, it's right across the other side of the road. The other side of the track. Behind there, there's a water tank which is as high as the van. So it keeps it off. I think the weather's coming in that way, so it's coming in and hitting the back of those trees. Nothing's lashing on the side of the van, so I'm pretty sure it's coming in from the front. Well, I hope you're all safe. Batten the hatches, sit tight, wait for it to blow through, can we? Yeah. Oh. It's nearly daylight anyway. Well, it's nearly daylight, is it, this morning? Okay. Oh. I'm done with my pit for a while, haven't I? And it's nice, look at it. That's moving us about now. Oh, here's my pee bottle. And the bottle's in the air, how it's rocking about. So it started knocking us about now. But I don't know if you can see that or not. I can't swing it around, because if I swing it around, it'll go off. Anyway, we'll weather the storm and speak to you soon. Stay classy, little fighting. Love you all, bye bye. And you skins.